Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Grammarly settings and custom dictionaries, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Grammarly settings and custom dictionaries, start by opening the Grammarly application or website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Navigate to the settings section, typically represented by a gear icon. In the settings menu, look for the option related to personal information or preferences. Here, you will find your custom dictionaries where any words you have added are stored. Select the custom dictionary option to view the list of your personalized entries. To back up your custom dictionary, highlight the words you have added. Copy these entries by using Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-clicking and selecting Copy. Open a text editor like Notepad or Word. Paste the copied entries into the text editor using Ctrl+V or the right-click Paste option. Save this file with a recognizable name and in a location you can easily find later. Next, return to the Grammarly settings and review any other settings you want to backup, such as preferences or style customizations. Take note of these settings manually, if there's no export option available. Once you have noted your preferences, make sure to save this document in a safe location as well. Now you have successfully backed up your Grammarly settings and custom dictionaries. In the event you need to restore them, you can easily refer to your saved files and documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.